Hi everyone, this is Kathy Grosskirth with Bookkeeping Clean and Simple, and today I'm switching it up a little bit. I'm going to be talking about Google Calendar today. Some tips and tricks and my two best practices when using Google Calendar. Now, before I actually get into this, I would love it if you would like and subscribe to my channel, share it with others. I generally talk about QuickBooks Online and Desktop and how to maximize its usage, and every once in a while I'll share a video helpful like this one to help you maximize your time. So anyway, would love it if you would join my family. You don't necessarily have to be an accountant user to join our channel. So with that said, I'm going to go ahead and get right into it. As you can see, I am in my Google Calendar and I am in this month's calendar. And one of the things that I found that was really helpful for me, because I like to schedule everything on my calendar, you want to be intentional with your time. So that's my first tip. You want to be intentional with your time. And so when you're being intentional with your time, you want to make sure you include all your calendars linked together so that way you can see all the appointments that you have, whether or not they're personal or business related. So I do have my personal calendar integrated in here, and I'm not going to go into all of that to show you how to do that. There's other videos out there that'll show you how to do that, but just in linking these two calendars together, I can see everything that I have that's work related, and I'll open up for the 19th next week so you can see all the different appointments that I have that are work related. And then everything in blue up here is stuff that I have that's personal related. So having all that blocked out, plus I even have my dental cleaning from last week on here, and that's on my personal calendar. So when you link your two calendars together, then you're able to pull everything onto that single calendar. So that's my first tip. Be intentional with your time and make sure you schedule everything in your calendar. So that way you don't have any overlap or any duplication going on. Now, the second thing that I recommend that you do is not only do you link these two calendars together, you link your Google Calendar with your iPhone. So that's what I've done. And I'm going to show you a screenshot from my iPhone so that way you can see from this particular week. You'll see that I have some of these appointments that are on my calendar show up in the calendar here in my Google web page that I have up. So whenever I schedule something in my Google Calendar, it's going to automatically show up in my iPhone and vice versa. So I love having those linkages together so that way I'm not double booking myself. Well, anyway, I hope this helps you today. Y'all have a wonderful day. Take care, and we will see you very soon.